Being a new operating system, you can expect a visual change to accompany the Windows 10 update. With Windows 10, we are seeing Microsoft Design Language 2, a continuation of the modern design principles found on Windows Phone and Windows 8. With Windows 10, Microsoft is continuing to flatten just about every aspect of the UI that they can get their hands on. The whole OS looks like it was ironed with virtually no 3D elements or drop shadows. Even all the icons have been thinned or hollowed, making them even more minimal than before. The one area where we see color is in File Explorer, which still stands out as being different from the rest of the OS. In terms of customization, users can now also choose various accent colors under settings and have these reflected on the Start menu and taskbar. Alternatively, you can leave the Start menu and taskbar dark or let Windows choose an accent color for you based off of your background wallpaper. For new OS multitasking features, users can still use the Snap feature to split an app on one side of the display with another on the other side. This makes working between documents or programs a breeze. Although Snap is not new, there are some improvements in Windows 10. For instance, you can now snap up to 4 apps onto one display. There's also a new Snap Assist feature that lets you pick which app you want to snap to the other half of the display. It's clever, works well, and makes one of the most important multitasking features in Windows even better. Speaking of multitasking, the Alt-Tab method to switch between apps is still present with a nicer looking design. There's also a new Task View option, complete with its own button on the taskbar. This feature lets you get a meta look at your desktop and all apps running to let you easily choose which app you want to go to, or even close it. Under Task View, you can also find a new ability to add more desktops, which is even a better way to manage projects, or to keep your social apps away from your work apps. In conclusion, the new look to Windows 10 is keeping in line with Microsoft's minimalist, clean, and high contrast approach to UI design. Text is highly visible, and the new thin fonts with wireframe icons give the OS a very modern look. It will be curious to see how the general public responds to Microsoft's newly designed Windows 10, but there's enough here for Windows 7 veterans and those who enjoyed Windows 8 without offending either camp.